Hello student. So we are seeing a new topic, that is similarity. So let's see one of the very important theorem of similarity, that is the basic proportionality theorem, which is also called as BPT. It is very important theorem and it is very easy. It is used to solve many types of examples also. So what the theorem says? The theorem says if a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, to whom it is parallel to a side of a triangle, then the given line will intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points. Okay, it is parallel to one of the side. Then to the remaining two side, it will intersect in two distinct points, and also the line divides the two sides in the same proportion. Have you understood this? Maybe yes or maybe no. So let's try to understand this with the help of a diagram. What it says, parallel to a side of a triangle, that means we will require a triangle here. So let's draw one triangle. So I am drawing this triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC. What it says, line is parallel to a side of a triangle, any side. I can draw parallel to either AB, AC or BC. Parallel means what? The two lines will never intersect each other, or the distance between two lines is always same. Parallel to, suppose I am taking parallel to side BC. Suppose this is line L. Suppose this is line L and it is parallel. Okay, I think my line is not looking parallel. So let me draw it properly. This is ABC. And this is a parallel line. Okay, this line L is parallel to this side BC. Okay, then what happens? It will intersect the remaining side in two distinct points. Which are the remaining side? This AB and AC. Obviously this line is intersecting this AB and AC in two distinct points. Suppose let me label these two distinct points as D and this point as E. So it is intersecting AB in D and AC in E. Then what happens? Then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. What happened here? This line L intersecting AB in D, that means this point D is dividing this AB in two ratio AD upon AB. Yes, it is dividing in AD upon DB. Ratio, or you can say proportion, both are the same. Okay, and for this segment AC, E is dividing AC in AE upon EC. Well, what we have to prove? We have to prove that the line divides the sides in the same proportion. That means this AD upon DB is same as this AE upon EC. That is, this ratio is same as this ratio. This is the simple statement of this theorem. So I have understood this. A line is parallel to any side of a triangle, then that line will divide the remaining two sides in two distinct points, and then the line divide the sides in the same proportion. That is, this two are, the proportion is equal. This is nothing but some basic proportionality theorem. This is the statement, but we have to prove that this statement is true. That is, we have to prove this theorem.